Hello, Pestilence here, and I am finally getting around to starting the electrolysis process on the padlock. This padlock. I've got a wire hooked up to the top that I will attach the negative that goes to the padlock, and the positive goes to the sacrificial iron. So, I'll put that out of the way. I do not want to hook it up directly to the shackle on the lock, just because it can corrode the alligator clip, and I do use that on my car battery, so not going to do that. Okay, I will show you here. That is the plastic bin that I'm going to use, and that is the metal. I've cleaned up some of the rust off of it. So what I'm going to do is put this on the floor and out of the way so no one in the household gets zapped. So once I get that on the floor, I will show you. Hold on. Okay, we have the red-handled cable, which is the positive that goes to the iron, and the black handle is the negative, which goes to the padlock. Okay, and I added, as I said, I don't know if I said it before. Okay, I added the Arm & Hammer super washing soda to the water, and a cup or so, and I've hooked up the electrodes, the negative, which is the black, and that goes to the padlock, and the positive, which is the red, and that goes to the iron, which is going to be, it's going to leach the iron off of the steel there, and it'll transfer from the to thar, if all goes well. And I'm trying to keep it out of the way so no one gets zapped, especially me. Well, more importantly, no one else. Okay, so hold on, and I will plug that in. All right, and there it is. And we should be seeing bubbles coming off of the padlock, which we are. Now I've set my battery charger on 2 amps. There are some people that say low and slow. Others say it doesn't make that much difference. You can go on 10 amps and go fast, and it's not going to make that much difference. I put it on the 2 amps just to err on the caution, err to be more cautious than find myself sliding down that slippery slope. Okay, so we will check on that later. I'm looking at keeping this in here for at least a day, and then we'll see how it looks. So, back in a while. Stay tuned. Hello, Pestilence again. And it is the next day in the afternoon, early afternoon. And this is what has happened overnight. So in a moment I'm going to turn it off and I'll pull out the lock and we'll see what's happened so far. Okay, let's see what's going on here. All right. Obviously, I need to do that. Kind of hard to tell what's going on here. Okay. Give me a second here. Okay, it does not look like terrible lot has happened. Some has happened, but not quite as much as I would like. So, trying to see if this one part has broken loose. Nope, the cover is still frozen in place. Okay, well, what I will do is put it back in and cook it some more. So we will see tomorrow. Stay tuned. Hello, Pestilence here with the end result of the DM & Company padlock electrolysis. I've cleaned off a lot on the shackle, and there's been some restoration of metal on there, and I've cleaned a lot of the other stuff off. The one thing that has not been restored in any way, shape, or form is the cover. It's still frozen in place. And I did put some penetrating oil on it, but it's not doing anything. And of course, inside the lock, the spring is sprung. A lot of metal came out from inside of there, so I'm supposing that nothing is left inside, and this is frozen in place. So this is more for putting on display than anything else. What I may do is spray this with a clear acrylic, matte finish, clear acrylic, and that would be the final end of this. But there it is. And it's been pretty well cleaned up. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. Stay legal. Bye.